When people rebel, let's discuss regarding as a consequences, the aftermath results of a revolt of 1857. Revolt of 1857. Consequences or aftermath results of aftermath. What comes after the revolt of 1857? Revolt of 1857. Revolt of 1857. What were their consequences? So consequences of revolt of 1857. Consequences of revolt of 1857. First, what were the consequences of revolt of 1857? The Government of India Act passed. Government of India Act passed in 1858. Government of India Act 1858 passed. According to this act, powers of English East India Company, transferred to British Parliament. Means earlier the role of administration, which was managed by the English East India Company and their officials, now after the enactment of Government of India Act 1858, it will be as handled by the British Crown or British Parliament. It will be handled by the British Parliament. Clear? British Parliament. Second, end of English East India Company. End of English East India Company. I'm repeating again. The first Government of India Act states that the powers of English East India Company transferred to British Crown. Or British Parliament. British Crown means as a monarch of England, ruler of England. So the pass of an Indian colony, it directly handled by the Crown of Britain or British Parliament. Second, after the revolt of 1857, English East India Company ended by Queen Elizabeth. She disbanded. She finished the role of an English East India Company. Elizabeth. Clear? Third, Viceroy appointed for administration. Earlier, English East India Company's governor generals like Lord Dalhousie, Lord Canning, Warren Hastings, Marcus Wellesley, such kind of governor generals, company officials, they ruled over a country. But now, after the revolt of 1857, the post Viceroy created. The powers of governor generals, it was given to the Viceroy, which was directly answerable to the British Crown. Viceroy directly answerable to British Crown. Viceroy, it was directly answerable to British Crown, means those rules, regulations which marked by the British Parliament, these were enforced by the Viceroy in India. Viceroy in India. For its residents, the Viceroy's house constructed, which now presently is known as President House. President House in Delhi, in New Delhi. Earlier, it was constructed for the resident as a resident of Viceroy. Clear? Third point clear. The post of Viceroy created by the Britain, in which it directly answerable to British Crown. Directly answerable to British Crown. Fourth consequence, as the Indian sepoys, means soldiers, which were responsible for the outbreak of the revolt, the Indian army were reduced. The role of Indians in British army reduced, and the strength of European soldiers was increased. Strength of European soldiers increased. Strength of European soldiers increased. The strength of Indian soldiers in British army reduced, and the strength of British soldiers increased. It was all next fifth point. It was also decided that to recruit soldiers from Gurkhas, Sikh, and Pathans in British army. Why? Because they helped Britishers to suppress rebellions. Revolutionaries were suppressed by the Britishers in support of these brave communities, Gurkhas, Pathans, and Sikhs. Sixth point. Yes, Manasvi.
Sir, please repeat fourth point.
In an Indian army, in a British army, the total number of Indian soldiers reduced by Britishers and increased the total number of European soldiers. Next, we discuss as it was decided that to recruit from Gurkhas, Sikh, and Pathans in British army, because they helped Britishers to suppress rebellions. Clear? Suppress rebellions. Next one, sixth, the land and property of Muslims. Muslims confiscated on a large scale. It was distributed among the Muslims. And Britishers believed that they were responsible for a large number of land and property confiscate, means as the occupied from Muslims in a large scale. Why? Because these were basically responsible for the outbreak of revolt of 1857. Revolt of 1857. Seventh, the Britishers decided to respect customary religious and social practices of the people in India, means they refused to take reforms in society. Britishers refused to take further more changes in Indian society. More changes in Indian society. And last, eighth point, policies were made to protect landlords, zamindars, and give them security of rights over their lands. Rights over their lands. Clear? Yes, Rhythm.
Sir, what is the meaning of Gorkhas?
Gorkha is a community. This is a name of a community which has inhabiting in a northeastern states. Northeastern states. Assam, Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram. Those people which are residing in a northeastern states, they are known as the Gurkhas. People belonged from the Punjab and their provinces, which now presently the 60% of a Punjab gone in a Pakistan. They were known as the Sikh, and Pathans they belonged from Afghanistan. So such brave community which supported Britishers to suppress rebellions in revolt of 1857. Revolt of 1857. These communities were preferred by Britishers afterwards. So these communities, the soldiers belonged from such communities. These represented the Britishers in European countries at the time of First World War and Second World War. First World War from 1914 to 1918. 1914, 1914 to 1918, and Second World War 1939 to 1945. A large number of Indian soldiers sent towards abroad to represent the Britishers in Europe. To represent the Britishers in Europe. Yes, Manasvi. This was our chapter. Yes,
Sir,
Manasvi.
please repeat the 6th point.
Which one? Point has given 6 point given on your textbooks. 6 point given. Policies were made to protect the landlords and zamindars and give them security of rights over their lands. Rights over their lands. Britishers stopped to modify this or to take changes in Indian society. Means earlier the sati system, ban on sati system, ban on child marriages, encouragement of widow remarriages, such kind of social reforms stopped by Britishers after the revolt of 1857. Is that clear? This was our chapter, When People Rebel. When People Rebel. Come towards a back exercise. This week on a Thursday, they will be as a test objective based on Google form. Google form. Yes, Rhythm Garg. Rhythm Garg. Earlier enacted by Britishers. जो law बन चुके थे पहले, these were continued by Britishers after the 1857 also. But they decided not to modify any kind of changes in Indian society. Clear? So let's continue. Back exercise, question answers. Question answers. First question. What was the demand of Rani Lakshmi Bai of Jhansi that was refused by the British? That was refused by the British. Yes, who will answer? Janvi will answer. Janvi. What was a demand which raised by the Rani Lakshmi Bai? On such behalf, she took part in revolt of 1857. Revolt of 1857. Yes, Janvi. Yes, Rhythm. So that was a demand. Her son, Rani Lakshmi Bai's adopted son, Rani Lakshmi Bai's adopted son was not considered as the successor. It was not considered as the successor by Britishers. Successor by Britishers. That's why she took part in a revolt of 1857 against of Britishers. Against of Britishers. Against of Britishers. Yes, Jayant?
सर मेरा नेटवर्क कनेक्शन सर टूट गया था बीच में से, तो आप एक बार रिपीट कर दो.
Rani Lakshmi Bai's adopted son, not considered as the successor of Jhansi by Britishers. They annexed Jhansi. Britishers annexed Jhansi in 1858. 1858, after the death of Rani Lakshmi Bai. After death of Rani Lakshmi Bai, after the death of Rani Lakshmi Bai, she supported she supported rebels. Rani Lakshmi Bai supported rebels to procure their position over Jhansi. Procure their position over Jhansi. PROCURE, procure their position over Jhansi. She revolted against our Britishers. What did the Britishers do to protect the interest of those who converted to Christianity? Who converted to Christianity? What were the efforts? What were the works done by the Britishers in favor of such Indians which changed their religion, which were accepted Christianity, which were accept Christianity? So what kind of the efforts done by the Britishers in favor of such Indians, in favor of such Indians which were accept the Christianity? Yes, Christianity. First, Britishers granted Jagirs, means land, Jagirs to Jagirs, Jagirs to such people. Yes, Kritika, what do you want to ask? Kritika. Yes. First, they granted Jagirs to them. Second, Second, such people were relaxed. They were relaxed. They were relaxed to pay land revenue. They were relaxed to pay land revenue to the company, land revenue to the company, land revenue to the company, land revenue to the company. Third, land revenue to the company. Now third, these were relaxed from the land revenue to the company. They were posted. Cut it now. The people belonged from Christian community, people belonged from Christian community, or those Indians which were accept the Christianity. These were used in administration. These were used by Britishers in administration and British Army full stop. Third question, what objections did the sepoys have to the new cartridges that were asked to use? So in 1853, Britishers introduced the Enfield rifle in British Army. The greased cartridges for these rifles had to be bitten off, B-I-T-T-E, and bitten off before being inserted into the rifle. Rumor had spread in the sepoys. That the grease contained fat from pigs and cows. Hindu and Muslim sepoys therefore objected to using them. Hindu and Muslim sepoys therefore objected to using them. Clear? How did the last Mughal emperor live the last years of his life? Mughal Emperor Bahadur Shah Zafar II. How does he live as their last 5 years? 5 years of his life. Last 5 years of his life. The soldiers of the soldiers of the soldiers of the soldiers of Delhi took part in revolt of 1857, revolt of 1857 took part in 1857 in 11th May 11th May 1857 and cut off cut off telegraph wires First point, the last Mughal emperor lived a very pathetic pathetic life during the last years of his life second he and his wife Bahadur Shah Zafar and his wife sent prison in Rangoon Rangoon. This was the capital of Burma. Bahadur Shah Zafar and his wife, they were sent towards Rangoon, where Bahadur Shah Zafar died. Third point, two sons of Bahadur Shah Zafar assassinated means killed. Assassinated, ASSINATED, assassinated by Britishers in Red Fort. Assassinated by Britishers in Red Fort. Assassinated by Britishers in Red Fort. Last point. End of Mughal dynasty. And their authority over Delhi. Full stop. Fifth question. What could be the reasons for the confidence of the British rulers about their position in India before May 1857. 1857. So what were the reasons responsible in which the some of the Indian leaders, Indian political states, these were supported to the Britishers, supported to Britishers. First point, as the beginning of 18th century, as the beginning of 18th century, Nawabs and Rajas had lost their authority and honor, authority and honor under subsidiary alliance. Second point, British residents had been present in many courts, of rulers to advise and instructed rulers Third, the company decided to end Mughal dynasty. Company decided to end Mughal dynasty and continue the rule of Mughals. Till the death of Bahadur Shah, Zafar, full stop. That's it. This much for today. Rest we will do on tomorrow.